Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys on how to properly clean and disinfect your phone from germs and virus spreading. At this time in 2020, it's crucial to keep your phone clean and germs free and virus free as well. So Apple recently released an article on how to clean, the iPhone without damaging the phone. So we're gonna kind of go over that and kind of the do's and the don'ts of cleaning your iPhone so you don't damage it. First thing you want to do when you're cleaning your iPhone is simply disconnect any powering charger that you have connected, and after you do that you can go ahead and lock your phone and then take either a Clorox or a Lysol wipe, or if you don't have either of those wipes at handy, use a 70% isopropyl alcohol to gently rub it with a microfiber cloth. So here I have one of those wipes here ready to go. What you want to avoid is getting moistures into any of the holes around it, because you don't want the chemicals to go in there which can damage your phone. So I'll show you guys how we do that. So lock the phone and then gently just go in circular motion first, the front side here. It'll leave a little wet stuff, that's fine. And then you want to go around the edges nice and gently as well. Same with the bottom. You don't want to overdo it, just go over it gently. Same with the back. um, you know nice and easy. You want to do it maybe twice, the more the better, per day, to keep your phones clean. If you have a case, take off the case as well, and then also do the case as well. The things that you don't want to do or avoid is kind of spraying aerosol, or using rubbing alcohol, bleach, or even a rough paper towel, or even submerging it into disinfecting chemicals, because that can actually damage the phone. So the reason why you want to be careful is because the iPhone comes with like a coating to prevent fingerprints on it. So you don't want to do anything that could damage it. And if you want it to be even more safe, there's UV phone sanitizer that you can find on eBay or on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below in the description if you guys want to check it out. So comment on what is your favorite way to clean your phone down below in the description. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys like this video and thought it was helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys.